Let's explore a simple method for measuring the radius of a free curve. A free curve is created without a fixed mathematical formula and is defined by control points, so its radius is not constant. The measure radius command works for circles and arcs which have a fixed radius and therefore may not be suitable for measuring free curves. Let's check this wire using the easy measure property command. As you can see, it's a free curve. If we try to measure its radius with the System, Analysis, Measure Radius command, we can't select the wire. The same is true for the Easy Drafting, Dimension, Dim Radius command. We are also unable to select it. Now, let's explore the command that allows you to check a free curve's radius. The first is the Curve Property command. It gives you information on a curve's characteristics, including its tangent direction and radius. You can get this information at a specific point along the curve. At that point, a tangent circle is used to represent the curve's bending. The radius of this circle is called the curvature, a value uniquely defined at that point. The result is displayed as a temporary figure on the screen. To measure the radius, simply use the curvature option. You can find this command under System, Analysis, Check Curve Property. Choose Curvature as the evaluation type. Now, select the wire you want to measure the radius of and click your middle mouse button. A new window will appear where you can adjust the measurement details, such as the pitch. The results are shown in this color diagram, which represents the measured radius. Because the result is a temporary figure, remember to use Home, Edit, Delete Temp Fig to clear it from the screen. To measure the radius value at a specific location, change the evaluation type to Point on Curve information. First, select the wire. Then specify where you want to measure on the curve. The result will appear in this new window, showing you the curvature radius for that exact location you selected. The second command is Curvature. This command displays the curvature or radius of the circle of a specified free curve or curved surface as a color gradation map. Once the map is visible, you can click anywhere to get the exact curvature at that spot. This value appears as a temporary figure on screen and in a numerical list. You can find this command under Easy Measure, Figure Information. With this tool, you can easily change the display range or search for a specific curvature value too. After selecting the wire, execute the command. You will see the color gradation map. Despite operating on different logic and thus generating color diagrams with opposing directions, these two commands deliver the same effective result. And a result panel, which is a numerical list. You can visually check the radius against the map or measure the radius at a specific location. The radius and location coordinates will be shown in the numerical list panel. Since the result is a temporary figure, use the Home, Edit, Delete Temp Fig command to delete it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.